coming to my channel. Today we're gonna make carnivore mayonnaise. I'm so excited. It's an easy recipe. You can make it every week and save yourself lots of money and have delicious food that's healthy for your heart. My name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com. Usually on this channel we talk about Hashimoto's and healing with the carnivore diet. So if those are interesting to you, then stick around. So today's topic is mayonnaise. We want to make an animal-based mayonnaise instead of what you often get at the grocery store. This is something somebody left in my house. It's really gross. So it has soybean oil, water, vinegar, eggs, and sugar, salt, and lemon, garlic, onion. So it definitely sounds like something I wouldn't want to eat. I'm gonna throw this away, but I just wanted to show you. This is very common for all mayonnaise and salad dressings and things, so make sure you're reading your labels, and you want to make your own out of an animal-based source. So you want to use bacon fat, butter. You can make mayonnaise with any of those, and it's super easy. So I'm going to show you how today, and you just need some eggs and a little bit of vinegar, and you're ready to go. One of the best fats to use for carnivore mayonnaise is duck fat. I got this at my Kroger. It is the Kroger brand, and it is really, really good. It doesn't have the aftertaste maybe of some of the other animal fats. So this is a really good one. A lot of chefs cook with duck fat. My husband is a chef, so take my word for it. All right, well, let me know if you use duck fat and if you like it. Like this, that's glass. You're gonna use your immersion blender to blend this sauce, mayonnaise. And then you need your animal fat, so whatever you're using. So now you want to open your egg up, and then you're going to take your yolk, just your yolk out, and put it over here into your glass. Okay, now you have your egg yolks here. You have your 3 egg yolks, and you want to get your vinegar. So you're going to pour your vinegar here. 1 teaspoon into the egg yolks. Now you just want this to be an emulsion. So you're just gonna mix it with a fork really quick. If you wanna melt your animal fat, so you could just stick it in the microwave if you want to, or you can melt it over in some hot water, something like that, whatever you wanna do. Now you've got your egg mixture here. You've got your immersion blender, put in there. And then you're going to start going like that. Then you're going to put it very, very slowly. Very slowly. Just keep going, adding your animal fat very slowly, and keep your immersion blender on, and it will turn out great. You can see now it's a little bit different texture. You're just going to keep going, putting it in very slowly and keeping this on a continuous thing. As it starts getting thicker, you can add your animal fat a little faster without so much caution. All right, well, that was a success. So look at this. Whoa, look how thick it is. And you could always add a tiny bit of water if you feel like it's too thick, but there we go. And I mean, I've done this so many times, so I'm pretty good at it. So you just remember, go really slow at first. That's really important. And then once you get it into an emulsion, it'll start to work better, and you can be a little more quick in your adding of your animal fat. Okay, so now let's taste it. It's not bad. You can definitely use any animal fat you want and make this anytime. It's super easy and quick and saves you lots of money. It looks like I used about a cup of fat, liquid fat, and I used 3 eggs, and then I used about a teaspoon of the vinegar. This is just cheapo vinegar from Aldi. You can use apple cider vinegar if you have that, but this is the one that I had. The benefits of saturated fat are so numerous. It's good for your brain, your heart. Everything is just so crucial because saturated fats are stable at room temperature. They don't oxidize when you heat them. You can eat them at any time, anywhere, and they're so good for you. So one of the big problems with our decline in health is that we don't eat enough animal fats. So make sure and get your animal fats today and avoid seed oils, which are canola, soybean, corn oil, that those are newfangled things and they're not stable at room temperature. They're heated, high heats when they're processed, and then you have to use bleach and all kinds of things to make them palatable. So they used to be used only for industrial purposes. So keep that in mind and just enjoy your animal fats and know you're doing a great thing for your health. I appreciate you so much for watching. Please leave a comment, share. I really appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Make sure and get my carnivore ebook. It's 182 pages with recipes like this and meal plan, shopping list, all the things you need to start a carnivore diet. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.